Hi there, this is P. Darwin Devapriyan from the Great St. Paul's Metric Higher Secondary School, and I am pleased to welcome you all for online Zoom tutorial. I am here to share and guide you some easy steps to join the online classes, which begins with the first step of downloading the Zoom app through Play Store on your Android. After the completion of download, you could go on to your students' WhatsApp group and see that when does the session get started on, and you can get into the session while it's the correct time to get in by just clicking the link that has been uploaded on the group. After clicking the link, you'll see a page has appeared, and sometimes it directly takes you automatically to the meeting. Anyhow, if you already got the Zoom Cloud Meeting app, you'll get a message which asks permission to open the meeting in your Zoom app. And anyhow, you're not able to get into the app, you can click the join meeting option in that page, and you can enter the meeting ID which has been provided by the host. And next, by clicking OK, you'll be in a page where you should enter the password as provided and feed on your name, class and section which you belong to, so the teachers could not find any difficulties in identifying or calling out the students during the session. And after feeding on your name, class and section, click OK, and the next page will appear which asks your choice to join with or without video. It's much better to join with video instead of joining without video, in which the host or the teacher could confirm that student is listening or whether he or she is present, and which also allows the teacher could interact with the students, which creates a real and true classroom feel. And also, please every time make sure that always your video is on during the session. Next, you'll get into the next page. After selecting join with video, it appears as shown.
Very importantly, click on call via device audio. If you click it, it will change from headphone icon to mic icon. There are totally 5 icons in the bottom of the page. They are mute and unmute.
Start video, share, participants, and finally more. So confirm that your microphone is always in mute, so your voice and background noise will not affect the session by disturbing everyone. And keep your video on throughout the whole session, and make sure that your face is visible to the teacher. And very importantly, you should stay completely along the whole session with teacher. And the third and fourth icon is prohibited for students, so you should not open it or send any kind of information. And fifth icon is more, where you could use only the chat, raise hand and thumbs up option. So in chat, you should only chat the answer if the teacher asks you to, and use thumbs up if you understand the teaching. So we here ensure that you can understand what the sir or ma'am is explaining about. And if you find any difficulties in hearing or understanding, you could take it so we can solve the problem instantly. And you could use raise hand icon if you're not able to understand, or if you have any doubts about the explanation, you could use the raise hand icon. And finally, you can pay your tributes to your teachers for their effort to teach you by texting it as a feedback at the end of the session. And you could also text the drawbacks so we can change it next time and come back updated. So I hope you will find it useful. Enjoy the classes.